Welcome to Session 3, Algebra, Expressions, and Equations. Take a breath and let's start slowly. Today we will learn the language of algebra. First, we will read and simplify expressions. Then we will solve equations, one careful step at a time. By the end, you will be able to find the value of x with confidence. Here is why this session is so important. Roughly 1/3 of the GED mathematical reasoning test is algebra. That is the single largest topic. The good news is that almost every algebra question comes down to one idea. Keep the equation balanced. Whatever you do to one side, you must do to the other side. Let's learn the words first. Look at the expression 3x plus 7. The letter x is the variable, the unknown value. The number 3 multiplied by x is the coefficient, and the 7, standing alone, is the constant. A term is a single piece separated by a plus or a minus sign. So this expression has two terms. To evaluate an expression, we replace the variable with a number, then simplify. Suppose x equals 4. For 2x plus 3, put 4 where the x is. 2 times 4 is 8, then 8 plus 3 is 11. Always multiply before you add, following the order of operations. Like terms have the same variable, we can add or subtract them. Look at 5x plus 3 plus 2x minus 1. Group the x terms together. 5x plus 2x makes 7x. Then group the plain numbers. 3 minus 1 makes 2. So the whole expression simplifies to 7x plus 2. When a number sits outside parentheses, we multiply it into every term inside. This is the distributive property. For 3 times the group x plus 4, multiply 3 by x to get 3x, and multiply 3 by 4 to get 12. So it becomes 3x plus 12. Do not forget the second multiplication. Now let's put both skills together. Simplify 2 times the group x plus 3 plus 4x. First, distribute the 2, 2x plus 6. Now bring down the plus 4x. Finally, combine the like terms. 2x plus 4x is 6x, and the 6 stays. The answer is 6x plus 6. An equation has an equal sign, and our goal is to get x alone. We undo operations using the opposite. For x plus 7 equals 15, the 7 is added, so we subtract 7 from both sides. On the left, x is left alone. On the right, 15 minus 7 is 8, so x equals 8. The same idea works for multiplication. In 5x equals 40, the x is multiplied by 5. The opposite of multiplying is dividing, so divide both sides by 5. On the left, 5 divided by 5 is 1, leaving just x. On the right, 40 divided by 5 is 8, so x equals 8. Most GED equations take two steps. Undo addition and subtraction first, then multiplication and division. For 3x plus 4 equals 19, first subtract 4 from both sides to get 3x equals 15. Then divide both sides by 3, so x equals 5. 2 clean steps. Sometimes x appears on both sides. The trick is to move all the x terms to one side first. For 5x plus 2 equals 3x plus 10, subtract 3x from both sides. That leaves 2x plus 2 equals 10. Now subtract 2 to get 2x equals 8, and divide by 2, so x equals 4. Fractions look scary, but there is a clean trick. Multiply every term by the denominator to clear it. For x over 3 plus 2 equals 6, multiply the whole equation by 3. That gives x plus 6 equals 18. Now subtract 6, so x equals 12. No fractions left. Word problems ask you to turn English into algebra. Learn the signal words. Sum means add. Difference means subtract. Product means multiply. Per, or quotient, means divide. And the words is or equals become the equals sign. For example, A number increased by 6 is 14 becomes x plus 6 equals 14. Let's solve a real GED-style problem. A phone plan charges a $20 monthly fee plus $5 for each gigabyte of data. If the bill is $45, how many gigabytes were used? Model it. 20 plus 5G equals 45. Subtract 20 to get 5G equals 25. Divide by 5, so G equals 5 gigabytes. Before we finish, remember these traps. When you distribute, reach every term inside the parentheses, not just the first. Only combine like terms, never x with a plain number. Do the same operation to both sides. And when moving a term, change its sign. Small habits prevent big mistakes. Great work today. You can now simplify expressions and solve equations step by step. To read the full lesson notes, see more worked examples, and practice GED questions, visit the course page at www.bridge2exam.com. Practice a few equations today so the steps feel automatic. See you in session 4.